Overhead lockers, smaller bags under the seat in front of you, and take your seats as quickly as possible.
Okay, I just wanted to jump in here. This is bad. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna turn the aircon off. Oh, this is such a bad angle. Let me change this up, hang on. Oh, it's too low. Okay, that's better. Okay, this lighting is horrible, sorry about that. Also, I just filmed a video and I look disgusting, but I just wanted to jump in here. So I'm back home now. This is Emily from the future. I didn't really vlog myself in this whole vlog. I filmed bits and pieces, but I didn't actually like talk to the camera. So, I'm so out of breath. I just wanted to jump in here and say, so the next few clips are from when we had landed in Brisbane. You saw the flights of when we landed and everything. The next few shots are from when we're in Brisbane at the hotel. We went and got lunch at Goldfinch, which is at the bottom of the Pullman hotel, which is where we stayed. So I'll insert that little bit of footage now. So after that we went and got on a ferry and we just rode around the Brisbane city area. So I did film that, so I will insert that now. So that was so much fun. I highly recommend it. It was very, very windy, and yeah, but it was really nice, especially since it was so hot in Brisbane. It was just so nice to have the cool breeze on us, and it was just so nice. The views were amazing. So yeah, highly recommend it. Ferry rides are always amazing. And then I got back to the hotel room, and my partner Zach went to the Raiders game. I stayed at the hotel because I just wanted to chill and relax and get some editing done. So I did a little bit of a Daiso haul and a hotel room tour, so I'll insert that footage now. I've been so bad at vlogging today, I'm sorry. Oh, let me turn this down. So today I didn't film it, but we went to Daiso, Japan, which is actually one of my favorite stores. We don't actually have one in Canberra, which is really annoying. That's the place, you've probably heard of it, a lot of YouTubers talk about it. We got a lot of Japanese snacks, which I'm going to be doing a video on, so make sure you're following my main channel, which is missemilyjane. Me and my partner are going to be trying a heap of those snacks and just seeing what they're like. I thought I'd show you the non-food items that I got. So I got this whisk. I saw this in Jazzy's video. I think it was her video maybe, but it's this whisk, and basically you just put it in the bowl and like push it up and down and it spins, and I just wanted to try it, plus it's pink. Then I got some silicone molds because I want to start making like resin keychains and stuff. So this one's got Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. I think it's really cute. I also got this mold, which I'm in love with. It's got little ice creams, it's so cute. Then this one is also really cute. Is it gonna focus? Has little bears, like little cats and bunnies. Then I got some stickers because I'm obsessed with stickers. I got this one here, which is Animal Kingdom, and it's basically knockoff Lion King, and I love collecting like knockoff brand stickers. And yeah, so these are really cool. So I got that one. This one, which is Toy Story, but I don't think legally they're allowed to say it's Toy Story. But I thought that was really cool. I'm gonna add to my collection. Then I got some Mickey Mouse. I thought that was really cool. It's like black and white. And then I got knockoff Frozen, which is Frosty. And it also looks like Olaf has like unicorn legs. Yeah, there's Anna, there's Elsa. But yeah, I thought those were really cool. So we are in the hotel room now. I thought I'd do a quick room tour. Yeah, kind of cringe, and it's also a mess in here because we've been in here for a few hours and it's been lived in, okay? So yeah, we're staying at Pullman in Brisbane. So this is the door. There's like cupboards here. This is the bathroom. Again, I'm sorry, it's really messy. Shower on that side, toilet, basins, etc. Then over here we've got a chair with a little table, big window. Hopefully you can't see my reflection because I look disgusting right now. But the view is really nice. There's like buildings. There's like a main shopping centre just down there, and the main bus station just down there. Yeah, we got a TV. I'm watching one of the bake-offs. We got a desk. Again, I'm sorry it's so messy. We just got back from a ferry ride and we're kind of in a rush, so I've just sort of chucked my stuff everywhere. But we've got this desk, which is good. We've got this view of the train station just at, oh, there I am. Just down there is a train station. There we've got a couch, which I've already messed up. Little place for luggage, clothes on the floor. This is the bed. Yeah, it's just nice. It's nice and spacious. Oh god, I look disgusting. Little bar fridge down there, glasses and stuff. Big mirror, which is good. Lamps. I'm so bad with room tours. Like, what do you want to see? It's our hotel room, it's nice. Yeah, cool. Peace out. And of course, it's me. I didn't film an end to this vlog, so thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry my vlogs are a bit all over the place, but I am working on it. I'm trying to get my confidence up, and yeah, it's hard when you're traveling and you're overwhelmed. But I'm slowly getting better at it, so please bear with me. Please make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe. I will have another vlog coming out, probably the day after this one comes out, so stay tuned for that. Today's vlog was just day 1. The next vlog will be days 2 and 3, where we go to Dream World and we also go on a jet boat. And the footage is awesome. It is so cool, you don't want to miss it. So yeah, I will see you next time. Bye!